YouTube, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the club. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Tech Realism, where we talk real tech. Listen up, guys. We got the JBL's Go 3 portable mini Bluetooth speakers, alright? These right here, alright? Don't mess with these because they're tiny, but they loud as heck. Alright, guys? Before we get into the video, guys, you guys already know the drill. You already know what you need to do, alright? Like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew for more videos like these, alright? Guys, at the time of this recording, at the time of this video, we're at 417 subscribers. Guys, thank you for the 400, bro, I can't even talk. Thank you for the 400, alright? Each and one of you guys have contributed to this club and has contributed to this channel. And we're on the road to 500 subscribers thanks to you guys. Alright, YouTube? So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Boom. You know what I'm saying? We got no box. We got no box. Actually, we do. It came in this. Okay? It came in this. Listen, they put the price on here, and they say refurbished because these are indeed refurbished. They put a huge sticker on it. I'm like, what the heck? How am I supposed to unbox this? You feel me? It looks ugly. So anyways, that's what it came into. You know what I'm saying? This is the box that it came with. Alright? So, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, you know what? Let me just get straight into the product. So boom. You know what I'm saying? This is the JBL's speaker right here. Okay? These are how they look like. Alright, they look pretty nice, pretty robust. They ran me about $25 because they're refurbished. But if you were to buy it online, I believe right now at Best Buy, it goes for $39.99 and elsewhere as well, Amazon, etc. Links down below. Alright, so boom. I haven't tried these yet, but hey, these are how they look like. They got JBL engraved into here. You know what I'm saying? Feels like rubber. Alright. Then we got some rubber finish on the side. Ruggedness. Alright. Some electronic stuff right here that nobody reads. You know what I'm saying? Then right here, we got a little lanyard right here. You know what I'm saying? USB Type-C connector to charge the Bluetooth speakers. Alright, guys, look how small these are, though. Look. This is my hand. Boom. Okay? This is my hand. Boom. They're so tiny. They're so small. They're like they're like kind of like a power bank size. Alright? Right here, you got power on, Bluetooth, and the Go 3 engraved on the speakers, guys. Guys, doesn't this look fantastic? I can't wait to try these out. You feel me? Alright, let me put these to the side. Okay, so, right, plastic. Typical plastic. Put that to the side. This is the user manual. Seems like they just stuffed the cable in there. Again, refurbished. This is what they do. So this is the manual. I'm not going to read it. Alright. So, manual stuff. Alright, I just undone it. You know what I'm saying? They just put it with tape, I guess. You know what I'm saying? Manual, quick start guide. Nobody's going to read. You know what I'm saying? So these are the USB right here. Okay? Typical JBL stuff. These are the speakers. Guys, what are you guys saying about this, man? Look at this, man. It looks real nice. Real small. Look at these compared to the Wicked Audios. You know what I'm saying? These are the Wicked Audios. Look at these. Tiny. This could be like 1, 2. You feel me? But yeah, YouTube. This is the JBLs. We're going to test it out. Alright, so how do you turn these on? I'm guessing you press on these. Alright, typical, you know, start sound that JBLs have. Same thing with the headphones as well. Same start sound. Alright, and then you got the Bluetooth. Alright, now it's ready to pair. As you can see, it's flashing. Ready to pair. Let me grab my iPhone. Let's pair right to this thing. So before we get into text testing, you know what I'm saying, let's check out what the JBLs are all about on the website. So right here is the JBL Go 3s. You know, they retail for $39.99. You know what I'm saying? They used to be $69.98, right? And they come in different colors. You got the black, you know, you got the black, you got the red, you got the gray, and then you got the whatever color this is. I don't even know what color that is, but yeah, all right. The features, obviously wireless Bluetooth streaming, you know, product description, we're not going to get too much into that. Power, output 4.2, you know what I'm saying? Dimensions, as you can see, it's pretty small, right? It's a pretty small device, you know what I'm saying? Controls and connections, whatever. Battery, you got a 2.5 charging time and a maximum of 5 hours of play of, you know, playing music. What comes with the thing, you got a charging cable, waterproof, wireless, chargeable, rechargeable battery, Bluetooth, IP67. So this is waterproof. What else do you got over here? What's inside the box? You know what I'm saying? You got one JBL Go 3, one Type-C cable, quick start guide, safety sheet, warranty card. This is how it's supposed to look like. You know what I'm saying? It ain't supposed to look like this. You know what I'm saying? It ain't supposed to look like this, but this is what it's supposed to look like. You feel me? Documents and downloads, yada yada. Alright? So that's basically what's inside of these. You know what I'm saying? What you expect in the JBL's Go 3s. So we got my iPhone right here. We're going about to connect it right here. As you can see, JBL Go 3s should connect. Alright, so now it's connected. We're going to test these out. Let's see how they sound. Alright, so we'll be right back. Alright, so right now, you know what I'm saying, as you guys can see, let me zoom out a bit. Alright, we got the, you know what I'm saying, uncopyrighted music right here. So we're going to see how these sound, alright? So yeah, these are pretty small, but let's see how they sound, alright? So boom. So this is not maximum volume. Alright, these are how they sound. As you guys can see, the volume going down. They work perfectly fine. You can pause it. Pause. Alright guys, these sound pretty good to me. You know what I'm saying? For a small speaker, like, I mean, just look at my hand. Look how small these is, man. Look, you know what I'm saying? Real small, real tiny. The only thing is, it doesn't tell, what I noticed on this thing, it doesn't tell you how much battery you got. Alright, so if you want to go out in the outdoors or whatever, and you want to know if your thing is ready to go, you wouldn't know because it doesn't say, it doesn't have like 3 little holes telling you the level of the batteries. You get what I'm saying? So if you were to just pick these up, you don't know if these are charged or not. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if they say on my iPhone the level. Nah, they don't. They really don't. So you don't know what's the battery level on these things. So you might always have to be plugging these in. You know what I'm saying? You gotta always be plugging these in and charging these before you go. You feel me? But yeah. But yeah, as you guys can hear, as you guys heard, you know what I'm saying? That's how it sounds. Alright. So yeah, I mean, we can play another song just to see. You know what I'm saying? We'll be right back. Alright, we got another song right here. These These are vibrating, by the way. I'm gonna test these on my laptop. All right, are these gonna connect to my computer? Let's do that. All right, so as you guys can see, it's already on right now. Okay, so we're just gonna click on the Bluetooth button. Let's see, to make it discoverable. Okay, I guess it's, hold on, it might still be connected to my iPhone. All right, so I disconnected them to my iPhone. As you guys can see, now it's blinking. Now we're gonna test it out on my computer right here. So I don't know if y'all can see that, but we're gonna go on to the settings right here, or right here, sound, Bluetooth, and then basically, as you guys can see, I already connected it. So right now it's connected, right? So now it's connected to my laptop, right? And if I were to play a video, yo, tech realism, you know what I'm saying? Check me out, you feel me?
When we talk real tech, listen up.
And as you guys can hear,
candy, true wireless,
it's coming straight from the JBLs.
Earphones right here, earbuds right here. All right.
All right.
Look at these. We're gonna
sounds pretty good, doesn't it?
Is this certified real tech? We get right into the video. All right.
You know what I'm saying?
But before we get into the video, though, guys, you already know the drill.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Join the club. Join the.
Anyways, seems like it's working on your laptop. Anything like that, all right? iPad, stuff like that, it should be working perfectly fine. All right, YouTube, that's the video. You know what I'm saying? We just did a review on the JBL's Go 3 wireless portable Bluetooth mini speakers right here, all right? So yeah, YouTube, like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. Guys, at the time of this recording, again, we're at 417 subscribers. Each one of you guys contribute to the club, contribute to the crew. Guys, if you guys like videos like these, you know what I'm saying, let me know down below. All right, guys, so yeah, that's the Go 3 JBL Go 3s. All right, YouTube, so yeah, we out. Peace.